Have you ever felt stuck in that frustrating cycle of battling stubborn fat, especially around your abdominal area, even while following diets and exercising? It seems like nothing works, right? What if I told you the real reason might lie in your liver function? Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Luna, and today I'm here to talk about this new product called Liv Pure. Yes, Liv Pure might be the solution you've been looking for to finally resolve this problem once and for all. But does Liv Pure really work? Is it worth investing in this product? Well, that's exactly what we're going to uncover together now. Stay with me until the end, because you'll discover all the details you need to know before making your decision. Basically, Liv Pure is a supplement that promises to help eliminate resistant fat and boost your energy levels, all while optimizing liver function. Sounds promising, doesn't it? But I'm going to show you exactly why it's become so talked about and how it can transform your life. Before that, an important warning: beware of counterfeit products. If you decide to try it, the link to the official website is in the description. That way, you ensure an authentic and safe product. Now, let's get to the point. Liv Pure is unlike anything you've ever seen. It combines two unique complexes, the liver purification complex and the liver fat-burning complex. These names may sound technical, but what they do is simple and powerful: they help your liver function as a fat-burning detox machine. Why is this important? Well, your liver isn't just responsible for eliminating toxins. It also decides whether the calories you consume will be burned as energy or stored as fat. If your liver isn't working properly, you won't burn fat efficiently, no matter how hard you try. With Liv Pure, you're giving your liver exactly the support it needs to work for you, not against you. Its ingredients are incredible. For example, silymarin is a powerful detoxifier and cell regenerator. Resveratrol speeds up metabolism and supports cardiovascular health. And there's more: glutathione, berberine, choline, all scientifically proven to improve liver health and fat burning. It's like giving your body a supercharge of energy and cleansing. And I know what you're probably thinking now: does it really work? Well, testimonials from users speak volumes. People report losing weight consistently, feeling lighter, and experiencing renewed energy. It's proof that when your liver works well, everything else falls into place. Moreover, Liv Pure is easy to use, completely natural, non-GMO, and free from harmful chemicals. And for those with doubts, it even comes with a 60-day guarantee. In other words, you can try it risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, just request a refund. That's a lot of confidence in the product. If you're tired of trying everything and not seeing results, why not give Liv Pure a chance? Click the link in the description right now and check out the special offers available today. I truly believe this could be what you need to transform your health and achieve the body you desire. And before you go, remember, taking care of yourself is the best investment you can make. You deserve to feel good, energetic, and confident. Thank you for staying with me until the end, and I hope you make the right decision for yourself. See you in the next video.